Hey guys, I am back. So I have deep conditioned my hair. I let the deep conditioner stay in my hair for about a couple of hours, hour and a half. And now we're going to style. So I'm going to take this down. And my hair smells so good. It feels good. What we're going to do again, we're going to style. I'm going to put in the African Pride leave-in cream. On top of that, I'm going to put the African Pride Moisture Miracle Oil, 5 Essentials Oil. And on top of that, I'm going to try, this is something I haven't tried yet, the Flaxseed Oil and Shea Butter Curl Defining Gel and Cream. First thing I'm going to do is oil my scalp. I always try to do that. And I'm going to use this oil with the nozzle. I'm going to part it where I want it to lay. And I like doing the side part. So we're going to work on this side first. And I have my water bottle. Add a little bit of water. So I'm going to use the leave-in. Has a very clean smell. It's white and it's creamy. So I'm going to use a good amount. And I'm going to add that all over this section. The leave-in is what, it's going to keep your hair hydrated until you style it again. So it's okay to add a little extra. Make sure you get the ends. Okay, now I'm going to take my Denman brush and I'm just going to comb it through to make sure the product is evenly distributed. So on top of that, I'm going to add this 5 Essentials Oil. Maybe a quarter size amount. And I'm going to lay that on top to seal in all the moisture, making sure I get my ends. All right. So now I'm going to add this gel and cream. Now this is a brand new bottle. I have not tried this yet. It is sealed, so we're going to open it. Oh, it says it's 3-in-1 training system. Defines curl pattern, molds and holds shape, hydrates and adds shine. So let's see. Defines and elongates natural coils and curl patterns. This smells so good. I'm going to add about that much. And let's see. It's very creamy. Wow. That has a lot of slip. It feels like a gel going on. It has a lot of slip. Wow. That feels good on the hair. And it has a shea butter smell, the buttery smell. It smells really good. I'm going to add a little bit more. Just a little bit to my edges. Make sure I get the back and to my ends. Now, what I am seeing right here, I don't know if you can see it. Looks like some clumps. So I'm just going to rub that in. And hopefully that will go away. I did not do the test. Oh, wow. I did not do the test to see if these agreed because they're in the same line. But I'm seeing some clumps in my hair. I don't know if you can see it. See it there? I really will be so disappointed if this leaves flakes in my hair. Oh, okay. I'm nervous. You can see it on my hands. Oh, it makes me nervous. Okay. Let's add a little water. Maybe it wasn't wet enough. And let's see what happens, okay? Scrunch it up just a little bit because the front part of my hair is a looser texture. All right, let's see what happens. I see a little bit of flake here. Probably can't really tell it, but I see it. I'm a little nervous, y'all. I'm a little nervous. So what I'm going to do now is kind of loosen it up off my roots a little bit. Actually going to try to get rid of this back part in the back. I still feel a little bit of the part, so I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and just do it like this to try to connect those, try to get rid of that part. So let me show you in the back. Okay. All right, hope you can see that. We're gonna air dry. I'm hoping that the flakes that I saw over here, I hope they go away. We'll see what happens. Keep our fingers crossed. I'm gonna let this air dry and I will come back and show you the final results. Thank you for tuning in again. Almost at the home stretch. Have a good one. Be right back. Hey guys, I am back. It has been, I guess, about 3 hours, 3.5 hours maybe, since my last clip, and my hair is completely dry, except for right here. It's still damp, but it's dry. And guess what? I don't see any more residue. Let me see. Let's take a look. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. Look over here. I think it dried clear. At first I was thinking maybe I shouldn't have added the leave-in and maybe this is a one and done product. Next time I do it, I will try it with just this product and see. Maybe doing the leave-in with the oil, maybe that's what caused the beading, but thankfully, I don't see it anymore, and I think I'm okay. I don't think I'll have to redo my hair, which I ain't got time to do. So, what I'm going to do now is add some of the oil on top to kind of give it, crunch out the crunch a little bit. It's not a lot of crunch. It's minimum. My hair is soft, and I actually like it. I like how it turned out. And I think we're good. So what do y'all think? Think it turned out okay. Great definition. So, would I recommend these products? Yes, I would. Especially the detangling, which you saw in part 1. My hair was a matted mess. So, now that I have washed, conditioned, deep conditioned my hair with all the African Pride Moisture Miracle products, and trying this new gel and cream. Yes, I would recommend it. I do like my hair. I'm thankful. I'm so thankful that I don't see the beading. So that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for going with me through this wash day using these products. If you decide to use them, let me know how they work out for your hair. If there's anything you saw that I did that you think I might have done differently, let me know that as well. Thanks for tuning in today, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day, and take care, you guys. Bye.